It's not about the mayor elections. In fact, a big blow to the Punjab government from the Supreme Court. The Punjab government's petition against Congress MLA Sukhpal Singh Khaira getting bail in the NDPS case from the Punjab Haryana High Court has been rejected. Now, this was a big issue between the Congress in Punjab and the Aam Aadmi Party, with the Congress accusing the Punjab government of acting like Hitler and making that accusation yesterday against Arvind Kejriwal, as well as Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann. And today, a big blow for the Punjab government and a boost for the Congress there. The Supreme Court refusing to cancel the bail that was granted by the High Court to the Congress MLA in this particular case. So a big relief for Sukhpal Singh Khaira from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court refusing to interfere in the decision of the Punjab court. Well, let's go across to Ghazali now for more. And Ghazali, this is something, we've been discussing since yesterday. On the one hand, today, one of the big stories in Punjab is, of course, how AAP and Congress has come together to fight the mayor elections. But before that is this other issue that has been taking place, in which you've actually seen it's the Congress versus the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, with the Congress hitting out over this MLA Khaira and how he'd got bail, and yet the government was trying to cancel that bail. And today, the Supreme Court rejected the Punjab government's plea there.
Oh yes, and it has been a very tough challenge for the Punjab government to justify, or to sort of legally justify, that how Khaira has been involved in drug peddling. And somehow Khaira got arrested here in Punjab, didn't get bail from the lower court, approached the High Court. High Court granted the bail, and the day he was granted bail, he was implicated in another criminal intimidation case from Kapurthala district. So he was again sent behind the bars, or he was not allowed to leave the jail. But and then he got yet again he got bail from the High Court, and the Punjab government went against that bail, approached the Supreme Court, and we see what happened today, that the Supreme Court also refused to entertain, or sort of rejected that petition. So certainly that's a big shot in arm for Sukhpal Singh Khaira, who was seen as the lone critic of the Aam Aadmi Party government here in Punjab. Though the entire Punjab Congress, or the opposition, being the opposition party here, has been sort of campaigning, has been raising the issues of people in Punjab, but it was Khaira who was going far beyond his capacity to raise the issue of drugs, to raise the issue state-centric issues, holding the government accountable for that. And since he has been an ex-member of Aam Aadmi Party, the political analysts or the watchers here believe that perhaps that was something due to which he was politically targeted by the Aam Aadmi Party government. Because visually or optically, that looked very bad on the government, that the day he was granted bail in one case, he was being booked for yet another case from his own district, from Kapurthala. And now with Supreme Court today rejecting the petition, it has only given shot in the arm to that political leader, Mr. Khaira. And also in Punjab, drug peddling is one issue which is often seen as a case through which you can tarnish or sort of damage the reputation of any politician. Now, Khaira getting bail after bail from one court to another certainly gives him some credibility. First, for raising the issues of the state, going against the government. Second, that despite government booking him in such cases, he has been granted bail. And obviously, we have been discussing that how both the parties in Chandigarh, the Chandigarh unit of Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress, may have joined hands for the mayoral polls, but just closer by in Punjab, the situation is not the same. Punjab Congress leaders have been opposing Aam Aadmi Party, or even they have been expressing their concerns that how an alliance or even a seat sharing arrangement with Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab would damage or would be a suicidal attempt for the party's politics here in Punjab, because Punjab is a different state and every state has a different sort of politics. Here, people go after each other due to political affiliations, and we have seen that in rural areas, that how party workers or cadres of Akali Dal or the Congress often have this kind of fight over the political affiliation. And this is exactly what is concerning the Punjab Congress leaders, that with what capacity, in what capacity they will go to the voters to say that all this while we have been opposing Aam Aadmi Party government, but for the larger good we are joining hands. It will be very tough for them to convince the voters here, but certainly as far as today's development is concerned, Mr. Khaira certainly has got a shot in the arm today with the Supreme Court's intervention over his bail cancellation plea, which was being forwarded, or which was being approached by the Aam Aadmi Party government.